In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error code 0x8004de44 on OneDrive. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have the OneDrive app open on your computer. If you haven't already, locate the cloud icon in your system tray, which should be at the bottom right of your screen for Windows users. Give it a click to open the OneDrive settings. Being able to access OneDrive settings is crucial for troubleshooting this issue effectively, so take a moment to ensure you're in the right place. Once the OneDrive window is open, go ahead and look for the settings option. You can find it by selecting the gear icon, which typically represents settings in most applications. Clicking this will lead you to a new set of options that allows you to adjust and control different aspects of your OneDrive experience. It's important to be familiar with the settings area, as it gives you greater control over how OneDrive functions on your device. Next, within the settings menu, navigate to the account tab. This section provides all the necessary details about the account you're currently using with OneDrive. It's always a good idea to review these account details regularly to ensure everything is running smoothly and that your information is up to date. Now here's a critical step. You need to find the unlink this PC button. This sometimes can be a bit intimidating, but don't worry. What this does is simply disconnect your current OneDrive account from your computer without affecting your actual files stored online. By clicking unlink this PC, you're effectively resetting the connection to fix the error you're experiencing. After doing this, OneDrive might prompt you to sign in again. Enter your credentials to re-establish the link between your computer and your OneDrive account. Once you've completed these steps, your OneDrive should be functioning correctly again. It's that simple. Checking back on your OneDrive status through the system tray should show that the error has been resolved, and there you have it. Fixing the 0x8004de44 OneDrive error can be as straightforward as disconnecting and reconnecting your account. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Don't forget to recheck your files and ensure everything is syncing properly after these changes. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.